Hey Professor, this is Amal. This is my take on number one. We're told soup temperature starts at 120 Fahrenheit and cools at 1 degree a minute. Write code using a while loop which prints out the soup temperature and the time taken in minutes to get to that temperature, stopping when 112 degrees Fahrenheit is reached. The output looks like this. So this is my take on it. I did first current temperature, which is 120, the stop temperature, which is 112. The current time, I set it to 0 because I'm gonna use a sum accumulator later. So the total time is 8, and the cooling rate is 1 since it goes from 0 to 1. Yeah. So I'm going to use a while loop. So I'm going to say, well, current temperature, which is 120, is greater than or equal to 112, which is the stop temperature. I'm going to print out the current temperature, which is 120, and the current time, which is 0 to 8. Yeah, then I'm going to print, I'm going to not print, but I'm going to take the current temperature and I'm going to use not a sum accumulator, but I'm going to say minus equals, which is like current temperature equals to current temperature minus cooling rate, which is, 120 minus 1, 119 minus 1, 118. Then I'm going to say current time plus equals 1. And 0, 1, 2, it's gonna add 1 till it reaches 8. And we could try this by running it. Yeah, there.